today's video we have the OnePlus 7T Pro and we're doing a quick benchmark test with Antutu and 3DMark. So for Antutu, I've already done the benchmark test. As you can see, it says test again. I'm not going to test it again. You could just check out the score. I'm going to click on it so you could see. We got 498,718, which has defeated 94% of users. I really don't know what phone could have out-defeated it. Maybe the Black Shark or something, the new Black Shark. But in terms of these, you could see the CPU was 150,000, GPU was 198,000, the memory 73,797, and the UX was 76,755. You can read these yourself or pause it just to see what they are. Okay, so that's good. Now we're gonna go to 3DMark and show you what results we got in that. I'm not sure if it saved it or not, but my results. Yeah, Slingshot Extreme. This is the one I did. My result here. Again, I will just show you the results so you could see for yourself. I don't know, can I click on it? Yep. Here. So I will leave it up to you so you could pause it yourself and look at the stats. Yeah. And for the Vulcan, let's see, your score versus this model, your score versus popular devices, as you can see. I think it definitely outperforms every phone. I can't imagine any phone out there outperforming it. Doesn't really tell you though. There are a few phones which outperformed it. Probably the Black Shark. So hopefully this video was useful. I'm not going to go too much in detail. You could just pause it. I wanted to keep it very short. And have a nice day. Bye bye.